Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. We are now dealing with lesson number 16 about discovering the rule in sequences. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to A. Define what a sequence is and explain its importance in mathematics and real-life context. Letter B. Identify whether a sequence is arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, or a special sequence, squares, triangular numbers. Discover and formulate the rule, pattern, or formula of a given sequence. Predict the next terms of sequence using the discovered rule. Letter E. Apply their understanding of sequences to solve simple real-life problems. Number 1. What is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follows a certain rule. Each number in a sequence is called a term. The terms are arranged in definite order and can be finite, limited, or infinite, unlimited. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a sequence. The rule is add 2 to get the next term. Type of sequences. Understanding different kinds of sequences helps us discover their rules. A. Arithmetic sequence. Each term is obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number, which is called a common difference. And example, 3, 7, 11, 15. So the rule, add 4 for every number to obtain the next sequence. And letter B, geometric sequence. Each term is obtained by multiplying or dividing by a fixed number, common ratio. 2, 6, 18, 54. And then 2 is not there. And then the rule, multiply by 3. So 54 times 3 is 54 times 3 is 192. So we have letter C, Fibonacci sequence. Each term is the sum of the two preceding terms. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and so on and so forth. That is Fibonacci sequence. And then we have special sequences derived from mathematical patterns. So we have perfect square. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Triangular numbers, 1, and then 3, and then 6, and then 10, and then 15. So number 3, how to discover the rule in sequence. So to find the rule, observe the terms carefully. What changes from one number to the next? Letter B. Check the difference. Are you adding or subtracting the same number? That's arithmetic. Letter C. If there is no difference, then letter C, check the ratio. Are you multiplying or dividing by the same number? And that is geometric. And if letter B and letters, if it has no difference, no ratio, then look for patterns adding the two previous terms. O kaya square numbers and then triangular numbers. And letter E, verify the rule. After verifying the rule, apply it to check if it works for all terms. And then example, 1, 50, 45, 40, 35. So the rule, subtract 5. So the next term is 30. Okay, example 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Rule, multiply by 2. So the next term will be 32. Example 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So the rule, add the two previous terms. So the next term will be 13. Number 4, importance of sequences. In mathematics, sequences help in understanding functions, algebra, and series. It is also important in science and nature. Fibonacci sequence appears in flowers, shells, and hurricanes. And also, the importance of sequence is in finance. In arithmetic and geometric sequences appear in loans, savings, and investments. And also in technology, coding, cryptography, and algorithms use sequences. Key takeaways. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers following a rule. Common type include arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, and special sequences. To discover the rule, look for differences. If there is no differences, look for the ratios. If there is no ratios, go to the special patterns. And then sequences are widely applied in math, science, finance, and real life. Practice problems. So, number 1, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. What are those two consecutive numbers? So, we have 3, 6, 12, 24, 48 and two succeeding numbers, the next two terms. So, multiply by 2 each. So, 48 times 2 is 96. So, the first term. And the second term, unknown second term is 96 times 2. That is 192. And then number 2, 10, 7, 4, 1, negative 2, and then what's the next two terms? So subtract 3 each time. So negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. And negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. So therefore, the final answer is negative 5 and negative 8. Number 3, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. We are asked to determine the next two terms. So solution, that's a perfect square. And so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squared and 7 squared. Those are the next two terms. So the final answers are 36 and 49. Number 4, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. What are those next two terms? So add consecutive even numbers. Plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10. So you need to have final answer of 42. So plus 12 And then the next is uh, 30 plus 12 is 42. And then 42 plus 14, you have 56. So add consecutive even numbers. Okay, for every sequence of the number. Number 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. What are the next two terms? So therefore, the Fibonacci sequence add previous two terms. So 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 8 plus 13 is 21. So the final answers are 13 and 21, which are the next two terms in the given Fibonacci sequence. Next, 5, 15, 45, 135. Given, we are asked to determine the next two terms. So multiply by 3. 135 times 3 is equal to 405. And then 405 times 3, it's 1,215. So the next two numbers are 405 and 1,215. Number 7, 190, 80, 70. Next two terms, subtract 10 each time. So 70 minus 10, 60. And then 60 minus 10, 50. So the final answers are 60 and 50. Number 8, 1, 8, 27, 64. And what are the next two terms? So solution, perfect cubes. So 2, 3, 4, 5 squared, a 5 cube is 125 and the 6 cube is 216. So the final answers are 125 and 216. Number 9, 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, and require the next two terms. So add consecutive odd numbers. So we have plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, and then 26 plus 11, 37, 37 plus 13, you have 50. So the final answers are 37 and 50. Number 10, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. The next two terms, solution, Fibonacci sequence. So add previous two terms. So the answers are 13 and 21. Why? 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 8 plus 13 is 21. So those are the final answers for the next two terms of the given Fibonacci sequence. MCQ for lesson 16, discovering the rule in sequence. So we will have this in our next part of our lesson 16.